Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how can you add fade in and fade out in Videoleap. So Videoleap is a app that you can find both on desktop and on Play Store. So Videoleap is a premium app, which means its features aren't accessible unless you are paid for it. Right now I have Videoleap on free trial. So that means you can use it for 7 days without paying anything, and you can cancel it anytime. So if you want to check it out, then you should do that. Alright, so let's go to a project of mine that I already did in the past, which is this one. And in order to add that, as you can see at the beginning of the video, there is a bit of fade in, right? Let me zoom in because I think we're not looking into the part which is supposed to be focused on. So this one, now that we have a fade in, how can we add a fade out? Now remember that this works the same way for both fade in and fade out. And all you need to do is click on the clip that you're editing, go to animation and click on out. And as you can see here, you'll see different animations, but most importantly, fade out is also here. And that's it. That is how you can add fade out into a video and Videoleap. If it helped you, like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.